The Sleepover by Catherine Toomey Fosnot. Sarah was excited. Saturday was finally here, and tonight was going to be her sleepover party. She had invited 7 friends to spend the night, and they were going to have fun playing on her new bunk beds. But the best part was that Aunt Kate was going to babysit. Aunt Kate was fun. She liked it when Sarah played tricks on her, and Sarah liked to play tricks. Bring, bring, bring. The doorbell rang. Sarah jumped down the stairs 2 at a time, yelling 2, 4, 6, 8. She ran to the door and opened it. Her friends all came tumbling in with sleeping bags and pillows and backpacks filled with stuffed animals, pajamas and robes, slippers and toothbrushes. I brought some scary stories to read, her best friend Yolanda exclaimed with a big smile as they ran to Sarah's room and jumped on the bunk bed. 4 kids sat on the bottom bunk and 2 climbed up on the top bunk. Sarah and Yolanda climbed up on the top too. Aunt Kate smiled at the excited friends. "Would you like some popcorn?" she asked. Yum, Sarah and her 7 friends all yelled in unison. "Yes, please. We want popcorn. We want popcorn. 4 cups for the bottom bunk and 4 cups for the top bunk." They will keep me busy tonight, Aunt Kate thought to herself and laughed as she went into the kitchen. While the popcorn was popping, Aunt Kate laid out 2 rows of cups, 4 in each row on a tray. 4 for the bottom bunk, 4 for the top bunk, she thought. When the popcorn finished popping, she filled the cups. Then up the steps she went. "I hear her coming," Sarah exclaimed with a big smile, and they all began to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 steps, they yelled in unison. "The popcorn is coming." Aunt Kate chuckled as they counted each step, but when she got to the top, she almost dropped the tray. This is what she saw. "I've lost a kid," Aunt Kate gasped in surprise. The kids laughed and laughed. "No, we're all here. We just tricked you. I'm down here now," Sarah said. She loved playing with Aunt Kate. "Oh, whew," Aunt Kate said. "That's a relief." And she passed out the big cups of popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the bottom, and then 1, 2, 3 to the top. The kids all began to whisper and laugh about a new trick. "May we please have some juice?" they asked with glee. Down the stairs Aunt Kate went. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 steps. Whew, I'm tired already, she thought with amusement. Sarah does like to play tricks. She has me all confused. Now, how many cups of juice do I need? Let's see, she thought. There were 5 kids on the bottom and 3 kids on the top. How many is that? She laid out the cups. 5 and 3 on a tray. She poured the juice into the cups, and back up the steps she went. "Here she comes," Sarah reported. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 steps, all kids yelled. "The juice is coming." When she got to Sarah's room, Aunt Kate almost dropped the tray. This is what she saw. "I've gained a kid," Aunt Kate exclaimed in disbelief. We tricked you," the kids howled in laughter, very pleased with themselves. How could that be, Aunt Kate thought. What were they doing? She passed out the juice to the kids on the bottom, counting ever so carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next she did the top. 1, 2. It was just enough. 5 and 3 was just the right amount for 6 kids on the bottom and 2 kids on the top. Aunt Kate was puzzled. How is this happening? Shaking her head, she muttered, "I'll go get some napkins." Down the stairs Aunt Kate went again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 steps. How many napkins did she need? What would help her remember how many kids there were? Let's see, she thought. There were 6 kids on the bottom and 2 kids on the top. Before that, it was 5 on the bottom and 3 on the top. And before that, it was 4 on the bottom and 4 on the top. But I don't think there were any other ways they can trick me. So this time, I'll bring up 6 napkins for the kids on the bottom and 2 napkins for the kids on the top. And then I can rest. Is Aunt Kate right? Does she have the right number of napkins? How many ways can the kids trick her?